guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all staying warm and cozy. There's currently like over a foot of snow outside, so I am staying inside, I'm staying warm, I'm staying away from that snow because I am not a fan of the cold. But in any case, today I have an exciting video. I received a package in the mail this past week, which totally took me by surprise, and it was so exciting because I'd never received a PR package from this brand before, and I was like, oh my god, like I literally was over the moon. So I got a package in the mail from NYX Cosmetics. I absolutely love them. I've been using them since I started using makeup. They have some of the greatest products. I absolutely love their marshmallow primer. Currently using that in my everyday makeup routine. They have some great lip products. I remember like back in the day when their lingerie line, like lip line first came out. Amazing, absolutely loved it. They have some really, really great products. So in any case, they sent me over some products from their new collection, which just dropped. I'm not exactly sure when exactly it dropped, but I did see it on the Ulta website, so I do know that it is currently available, and we're going to test them out. We're going to see how they work. It's a very interesting collection. So let me show you what I got. So here is the package here. It is the Glam Supercharged collection. It says experience the super drop. The NYX Cosmetics 22 drop, cruelty-free beauty. See, like the card doesn't have that much information. However, they have tons of products in here. So here are the products. Here we've got quite a few things that we can try out today. So I'm super excited to try these out, and we'll put together a look with what we got. Well, of course, we'll supplement the products that we don't have with what I have, and we'll put together a look. So first things first, just put a headband in my hair to keep my hair out of my face because the clip was just falling out of my head. So we got that straightened out. So the first product that we have is their Plump Right Back Plumping Serum and Primer. Now here. Now I think the most interesting thing about all of these, well, most of these products, is that they have an electrolytes mix in it. I've never seen a beauty product with electrolytes in it. Like when I think electrolytes, I just think Gatorade. So it's interesting. We'll see how this works. Like I said, I'm using their marshmallow primer currently, and I've been using it for a while, and I absolutely love it. It's such a good primer. So let's see if this one is just as good. So here is the primer here. If it focuses, it kind of looks like a gel. No, I'm having a really rough few weeks when it comes to my skin. My skin is so dry. I'm breaking out. It's all from this weather. Like, I haven't had my skin look this bad in a very long time. But it's literally been like 10 degrees outside, so that's probably why. So first things first, it smells really good. And I feel like it made my skin like nice and tacky. So like I feel like makeup will stick to this really nicely. So far so good. It's not slimy, it's not gross, and I only used a little bit of it, you saw. So a little bit of it is going a long way, it seems. So like I said, that was the Plump Right Back Primer and Plumping Serum. Let's see how that holds up. Next, I'm just gonna do my normal foundation routine. I'm currently using the Ordinary Coverage Foundation, so be right back and I will do that. Okay, so I'm back. I did my foundation, like I said. I also did my concealer, which I just used a Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and then I used some pressed powder, which was the CoverGirl Clean Fresh powder. So that is my typical like foundation concealer routine. So next, what I'm gonna do is they sent over their Thick It, Stick It Thickening Brow Mascaras. So we've got a couple of shades here. Here they are here. Now, if you follow my channel, you know that I'm terrible at brows. I don't really know how to do them correctly. I've kind of been growing them out, but they're like crazy little caterpillars on my face. I'm not a brow person. So we're gonna try these out. Though they actually, now that I think about it, I did receive some products from NYX last year. And one of the products was like a brow glue, which actually worked out really well. So the shades we have here are Espresso, Taupe, and Cool Ash Brown. So here they are here, if you can see. I feel like Espresso is gonna be too dark. I'm gonna say the Cool Ash Brown. It's like a happy medium. So let's see. So here it is here. We'll open it up. I'm assuming it's a little spoolie. Yeah. So here is little spoolie here. Let us see. Now I've got my mirror off to the side here like I always do. I'm not gonna do anything crazy because I don't know what I'm doing. It doesn't seem to be too dark. I do need to pluck my eyebrows out. Oh my God, they're a mess. I never can really tell until I put like foundation on, and then I'm like, oh my God, they're a hot mess. So far so good. It doesn't feel like crusty and like making my eyebrows hard, which is, I don't like that. So this is, like I said, the Thick It Stick It Thickening Brow Mascara. Here it is here. And what I'll do is I will leave a link, as always, to a post on my website in the description down below, and there you will be able to find links to all the products that I'm going to show you in this video, and I will do some research, and if there are any other products from this collection, I'll include those links as well. Okay, so now that we did that, they sent over their Epic Smoke Liners. Here they are here. Oh God, making a mess. Let me do this again. They're Epic Smoke Liners. Here they are here. Now, I want to do something a little out of the ordinary from what I normally do, which is like a very basic eye look, but I don't know. Let's see. We've got these shades Navy Heat, which is this one here. We've got Black Smoke, which of course is the black one, and then we've got the Mauve Grit, which is this one here. Now, let's see. What should we do? I feel like the Navy Heat is really cool, but also the Mauve Grit is like calling my name. So I think we're going to try the Mauve Grit just because like this is my color right here. Okay, so actually I changed my mind. I was gonna do the Mauve Grit, but I'm gonna do the Navy Heat just because I think this will pick up better on camera. So let's hope for the best here. Here is the liner on the one side, and then we've got the like blending brush on the other side. So let us hope for the best here because we know that I'm not a makeup expert. I am just experimenting as I go. Sometimes it turns out good, sometimes it turns out like a hot mess. So hopefully today it's a pretty decent makeup day. So I got my mirror off to the side here. I'm gonna try my best to like be in frame, but also like see what I'm doing. So let's see. Okay, so what I did was I lined my eyes with the liner as if I was just doing a normal cat eye like I normally do, and then we're gonna try and blend it out and see if it makes it look more smoky, kind of like an eyeshadow. Let's see. Okay, so that was actually pretty neat. Like I blended it out. It is a bit messy, but this was my first try, so I expected it to be messy. But as far as like how it looks on the packaging here, if you can see, like I get how this can work. I think I have a little bit too much foundation on my eyelid, to be quite honest. So it kind of made it a little harder to blend just because of the liquid foundation. But I can see the blending. Like I think the brush did really well, and the pencil itself is like creamy enough that you can blend it quite well. It's not like a chalky like actual pencil, it's more like a creamy liner. So the blending definitely like will work with this brush. It is also quite pigmented too. I don't know if you can tell in this camera because I just have the little viewfinder here, so I'll be able to see more when I edit, and by that time it'll be a little too late, but like it actually worked out really well if you can see it there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some mascara on to make it like pop and look like a normal eye look. Okay, so put on mascara and it looks more put together. I feel like this side was done a bit better than this side. I can't really tell if you're gonna be able to see it in the viewfinder. I really hope you can, and I really hope it comes across as like good and not like crazy messy. But yes, this side definitely turned out better. It is definitely like a subtle smoky eye, and I know that with a few more reps in, it'll definitely look better. And I actually like really like this concept. Like that's really neat. It's kind of like an eyeliner and eyeshadow in one, which, you know, nowadays the more products you can get into one package, the better. Okay, so I also went and did some blush and highlight. I just used a Pixie Cream blush and a highlight palette from Cover FX. And so that'll be my blush and highlight. Next, what we have are something very interesting. It is This is Juice Gloss. I got 3 of them here. So these also have electrolyte, like an electrolyte mix in them, which I think is so interesting. Like, what does that mean? I don't know. So we have these shades Kiwi Kick, we have Coconut Chill, and we have Watermelon Sugar. So I'm going to use Coconut Chill just because I don't know how tinted. It says electrolyte infused color. So I don't know how tinted these are going to be. So I'm going to use the Coconut Chill one just to stay a little kind of tame on the color. If you want to see the tint of the other two, follow my Instagram stories and I will share them there. Here we have the Coconut Chill. Oh, it smells like coconut too. It smells so good. It smells like summer. So it's just like, you know, a simple gloss, which I like. It's definitely not like tacky or sticky, which is good. I don't like anything like, remember in like the early 2000s when you would get like a lip gloss from like Bath and Body Works or like Limited 2 or something, and it would be so sticky, like if the wind blew, like your hair was sticking to your mouth, like anything would stick to your mouth. Well, this is not like that. And I'm really glad that we have found the science to get beyond that tacky lip gloss. So in any case, we have a nice sheer gloss. It definitely, I don't know, maybe I'm jumping the gun here, but it definitely feels like it is a plumping kind of gloss. It smells divine, so good. So next, what we're gonna do to finish this all out is use the Plump Finish setting spray. This also has an electrolytes mix in it, which is so interesting. I've actually never tried a setting spray from NYX before, so let's see. Okay, so it's a nice little spray there. So a lot does come out at once. This also smells quite nice. So it feels good. Let it dry a bit. Okay, so there's the finished look. Obviously my hair is quite messy today and I'm in a sweatshirt, but that's because, like I said, it is snowing outside and I wasn't planning on doing anything extravagant in the comfort of my home today. So now I got a nice makeup look on. Obviously I can't tell you right now if this is gonna last throughout the day, so what I'll do is in the description down below, I will let you know how this all holds up throughout the day. So far it's feeling pretty good, like I feel fresh. The thickening brow mascara didn't clump up, it didn't like get crusty, so like my brows still feel like fluffy brows. And the primer, I gotta say the primer held that foundation quite nicely. I don't see any like patchiness. I don't see, I mean obviously I still see texture, but you're gonna see texture no matter what. There's nothing in this world that is going to get rid of texture. It's just your skin, it's natural, it's gonna happen. So I definitely like the primer because I don't see any patchiness. It didn't like I don't know, it's holding on to that foundation quite nice. So all in all, I think this is Supercharged? Yes, this, oh, I'm a mess today. This Glam Supercharged collection is awesome. I think these are some really creative products. Like it's not just your run-of-the-mill like setting spray, primer, lip glosses, and like eyeshadows and stuff. Like these are some actually really interesting products, which I think, you know, having these innovative products are really, it's a really useful when you have such a saturated beauty market. So like I said, I will link all of these products in the blog post that will be in the description down below. Also, if you don't do so already, make sure you download the LTK app and then follow me at Brie Cutter in the app, because I always link everything, like my beauty routine, skincare routine, makeup routine, all my outfits, some home products throughout my house are all linked on that app, and you can shop directly in the app, which is awesome. So definitely follow me on there. I'll leave a link to that in the description down below as well. And if there are any other makeup products or new launches out there that you would like to see tried out, tested, reviewed, first impressions, whatever, leave a comment, let me know, and I will get my hands on them. And if you've already tried out this Supercharged collection from NYX and you have thoughts and opinions on it, definitely leave a comment, let me know. I want to know what you guys think as well. And if you like today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below, subscribe to my channel, click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media at Brie Cutter. And until next time, see you guys.